Do you know the one thing that everyone on this planet has that's exactly the same? It's time. Yes, everyone has just 24 hours in a day. Yet there are people I know who make $100,000 in the same 24 hours, while others I know can only make a few $100 or not even that. It's about using your time in the best possible way to make the most money you can. And the fact of life is, you cannot earn back the time you have lost, so you need to make the most of it every single day. So I gave myself a challenge. I asked myself, what if I had just 1 hour per day to work on my business? What would I do to make money? What would I do to get traffic? What would I do to earn passive income? And then I spoke to more than 15 successful internet marketers I know. People like Andrew Fox, Ankur Shukla, Brendan Mace, Rash Vin, Abhi Devwedi, Art Flair, Billy Dar, Venkata Ramana, Tom Yevsikov, and I asked them the exact same question. What if you had just 1 hour per day to work on your business? What would you do to make $5,000 a month? How would you do it? What steps would you take? And what kind of results would you expect to get from it? And the answers I got really blew my mind. I was talking to people who could make $500 to $1,000 per day working just 1 hour per day. And the secret is not just in what they were doing. It's a lot about how they were doing it, what tools they were using to do it, and how fast they could do all of it. So I did something sneaky and saved up all these conversations, all my phone calls and my video calls with these people, and I decided to put it all together into my brand new training called the 1 Hour WorkDay. Yes, now you can learn the secrets of top marketers who make $50,000 to $200,000 per month on how they would make at least $5,000 per month if they had just 1 hour per day. You will see the exact steps that they would take, how much time they would spend on what task, how they would delegate tasks, what kind of shortcuts they would take, how they would accomplish things that take 4 hours in just 1 hour. I'm sure you can spare 1 hour to do a few things, but what do you need to do? What tools do you need to use to speed things up? How do you get more done in less time? All these are secrets that people like Andrew, Ankur, Brendan, Rash, Abhi, Art, Billy, Venkata, Tom, and many other top internet marketers shared with me. And today, I'm sharing them with you, so you can benefit from them, so you can copy them, so you can have a shot at making $5,000 per month. And you can do it by just sparing 1 hour per day to build a massively profitable online business with the help of these amazing methods and strategies. Not just that, all these marketers use one specific tool to do their tasks faster, and I'm going to show you what tool that is. It allows them to crush 4 hours of work into just 1 hour. And you get to see everything I do as well. Yes, I've made over $1 million in sales this year by simply working 4 to 6 hours per day. And I'll tell you my secrets on how to make a lot of money by simply working 1 hour per day. Even if you don't want to make millions, having $5,000 per month coming into your account would be nice to have, right? And if you only had to spend 1 hour working for it, that would be amazing, right? This is exactly what I'm going to show you inside 1 Hour WorkDay. These are secrets that no one wants you to know, but I want you to get them today from this page and implement them. Just 1 hour per day is all it takes to go from 0 to thousands per month. And that is what you need to do. So take action now, get your copy of 1 Hour WorkDay and learn from the top 15 internet marketers who make millions of dollars working from home, spending just 1 hour per day.